वो सुनते हैं।
Sir, it's a very emotional statement that you're making. Is this unconstitutional? Is this undemocratic?
It is totally undemocratic.
What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now, Doctor? What are you going to do
Why
now?
would they not wait? I don't even believe in their gun.
What's your future
Their
course of
American
action?
gun.
What are you going to do
I
next?
think it's all false.
Doctor, how much you are expecting yesterday's Amit Shah's statement? After 70 years, the issue has been vanished within 5 minutes.
70 years they have stabbed the people of this state.
What are you going to do next, sir? What would be your future course of action?
As soon as the gates will open, our people will be out. We will fight, we go to the court. We are not gun runners. We are not grenade throwers. We are not stone throwers. We believe in peaceful resolution of things. If they want to murder us, we are ready. My chest is ready. Fire here, not into my back. For I stood for this nation.
Farooq sir,
मैं सब बराबर हैं.
Doctor, right now, where is Umar Abdullah?
My son is in jail. And I do not know how many more poor people will be in jail.
Sir, your father was also sent jail. Do you think now Umar Abdullah has been jailed now again?
I think this is the price we'll continue to pay to make India democratic, to make India secular.
But you are believing in India like anything.
आज
Do
पार्लियामेंट
you think that the belief is gone now?
डिबेट चल रही है, काफी लोग बहस
इसीलिए
कर रहे
तो
हैं.
मैं
आपको
अफसोस
लगता है
करता हूं कि वहां पे ऐसी सभा में हमारे होम मिनिस्टर साहब झूठ बोले, ये मैं जो उम्मीद नहीं.
फारूक सर, आपने कभी सोचा था अमित शाह आएगा? सर, आपने कभी सोचा था अमित शाह आएगा?
कि
और
370
सरदार
और
वल्लभ भाई पटेल भी है.
फारूक साहब, अमित शाह कह रहे हैं 370 और 35 की वजह से विकास नहीं हुआ कश्मीर का, और अभी भी आप लोग नहीं होने दे रहे हैं.
और साथ में ये भी कहा 370 3 खानदानों के लिए
बताइए
था.
फारूक साहब.
उनको ये शुक्र करना चाहिए कि वो खानदान के साथ खड़े रहे.
क्या आप भी खड़े हैं? क्या आप भी खड़े हैं? डॉक्टर साहब, आप भी
वो
खड़े हैं?
आप पर इल्जाम लगाते हैं सर, वो आप पर इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं. वो कह रहे हैं 3 परिवारों ने सियासत की है सिर्फ कश्मीर में.
लगाते हैं,
जी,
मगर उन्हें ये दूसरा हिंदुस्तानी नहीं मिलेगा जो आके.
But why you didn't go to Parliament, sir? It was an important issue.
How could I go when my doors are locked? You want my security people to be dismissed?
But few days back, sir, you are not feeling well. That's the reason you cannot go.
I am not well even today.
Means you are not expecting this kind of a decision.
Nobody expected. You ask anybody.
So do you think 70 years struggle is over now? 70 years freedom struggle, fighting for you, fighting for other people like you is over now?
Fought for its independence from the British for hundreds of years. 70 years for us to fight for our right is not okay.
सर एक तो बात सुनिएगा
Continue
सर.
to fight.
Do you sit
Sir, एक बात
do you sit and believe in India? Why do you take this?
फारूक साहब,
Fight.
फारूक साहब,
Do you still believe in India?
फारूक साहब भारत
Do
के
you
साथ है.
still